Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Germany's defense minister, Boris Pistorius, has raised alarm about Russia tracking their army satellites, warning that conflicts of the future will be fought openly in orbit. This comes as tensions between Russia and NATO continue to escalate, with a series of security incidents across Europe linked to Russia's war in Ukraine. Olivo has been investigating the growing threat posed by Russian space activities, and it appears that Moscow is using satellites to shadow those used by other governments, including Germany's. 2 Russian Luch Olymp surveillance satellites have been tracking Intelsat satellites, which are also used by other governments, according to Pistorius. Satellite networks are now considered a critical component of modern societies, with the potential to paralyze entire countries if disrupted. The German defense minister stressed the need for talks on developing offensive capabilities in space as a deterrent, saying that Russia and China have rapidly expanded their capabilities for warfare in space over the past few years. They can disrupt satellite operations, blind satellites, manipulate or kinetically destroy them. It's a scenario that Olivo has been exploring in our coverage of the impact of space on modern society. And it seems that Germany is taking a serious approach to this threat, with plans to invest 36 billion by 2030 to ensure both protection and effectiveness to counter Russia and China. Olivo believes that this is a wake-up call for all nations, including NATO member states, to take space security seriously. As Bleden Bowen, associate professor in astropolitics and space warfare at Durham University, noted, the language is quite a departure for Germany, France, and Britain that have not really talked about these things in a public and explicit way, whereas 20 years ago it was only the Americans that were talking about space and the threat to their space systems. Now, they are all talking in the same way because they all can see the threats that the Russians and Chinese are posing. It's also why NATO declared space an operational domain back in 2019. As tensions continue to rise, Olivo will be keeping a close eye on this developing story. We'll bring you updates as more information becomes available, and we'll explore the implications of this new frontier in warfare. For now, it's clear that space has become a critical battleground, and nations must take steps to protect their interests. The world is watching, and Olivo will be there to provide the analysis and context that matters. Join us next time as we continue to follow this story and explore its impact on global security.